Hello everyone, my name is Walter and in this today's tutorial I'm going to share with you how we can digitally sign a document using a PDF or the application Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is what I'm using to read PDF. I'm using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Okay, let's get started. Let us open Adobe Acrobat Pro. After opening it, you can see I have the Adobe Acrobat Professional version. Then I can go to Tools on the upper right panel. Then in this content menu, we can select Sign and Certify using the drop-down menu here. Then I go to More, Sign and Certify using the drop-down menu. Then I select Security Settings. When I get to Security Settings, as you can see on the left side, I have a menu here where I have Digital ID, Directory Servers. I can just make sure I have selected Digital ID. Then I can go to Add ID. We are going to create a Digital ID for us to help create a digital signature. First, we are going to create the ID. We can go to Add ID. Now I'm prompted to create a digital ID to sign and encrypt documents. I can select the second option, which is a new digital ID I want to create now. After selecting this option, I create on Next. The prompt we have here is saying where would you like to store your self-signed digital ID. I can keep it as it is, as default. A new PKS #12 digital ID file. Then I click on Next. In this new prompt, I can put now my identity information. These information are those which will appear on our digital signature. So make sure you pay attention filling this information. Okay, now I can put the name. Walter M. Then for the organization unit, I can put my position, IT officer. Organization name, you can put the name of your company. Let me put Digital Solutions. For the email, you can put your email address. Then you can select the country or region. For me, I have to select Rwanda. Rwanda is RW-Rwanda. Then for this key algorithm and this information below, I can just leave it as it is, as default. Then I click Next. On this new prompt menu, I have to set a password for our new digital ID file, because every time we are going to sign or to use this digital signature, we have to decrypt. We have to decrypt the information, because as we put the password, the file will be encrypted. So to decrypt, or when we are going to place it, we have to always put a password. Make sure your password is strong. Let me put mine here. Then I have to confirm. After putting the password, I click on Finish. Then the ID is now created. You can see it here, Walter, yeah, with this information, working from Digital Solutions, yeah. Then after we create the digital ID, now we are able to use our signature. I can close this file and open any file where we want to place the digital signature. I can come to digital signature here. Okay, now here is the area where I want to put my digital signature. As always, I go to tools and I come here on this feature, sign and certify. I can click on the drop down menu, then I go to place signature. I click here. Now it will prompt me to use the mouse in order to draw the area where we would like to put the signature, where our signature will appear. I have to click OK. Now using my mouse, I'm going to hold and drag and draw a large area where I'm going to place my signature. After drawing the area, I can release the mouse button. Now I will be prompted with a link, this window saying I have to put my password in order to place the signature. But before we place the signature, I'm going to show you how we can even insert an electronic file of our manual, our handmade signature. Yeah, as you can see, I will go to appearance, then I go to create new appearance. Here we can use this information. We come in the signature, who is signing, digitally signed by, the name. Your name will be printed here, the reason, the location, the date, and we can see everything which is appearing in the signature are configured under this text field, where we have configure text. You see what we are going to show is here. We have the check marks here. We can check the name, the date, the location, the reason, the labels, the logo, everything. If you want, you can even uncheck what is not necessary for you. Yeah, it depends of your wish. So for us to insert the electronic hand manual scanned signature appearing in our digital one, we can go to imported graphic here. Then because we are going to place it on the left here, left side of our digital one, then we click on file. Now we can browse in the computer where our file is saved or located. We go to desktop because I know it is on desktop. Then we can change here the file format. It is saved as a PNG one. You can click on PNG. Then it is here. It means that I have signed on a paper, then I have scanned the document, then saved it on my local machine. It's my signature here, electronic one. So I can select it, then click open. Now you can see it is showing up here. After it is showing up, I can click on OK. As you can see in the preview, my electronic signature will come alongside with my digital one. So I can see digitally signed by me, and on the right, on the left hand, I can even see my electronic signature. Now, after we have imported it, the graphic, because it is saved as a graphic, We can now click OK. Now here I have the preview of my digital signature. You can see it is digitally signed by Walter Dushime. My name printed here, the position and the organization name, and even my email. And on the below of our digital signature, we can see the right date, the exact date and the time we signed the document. Now, before to finish, I have to put the password. You remember the password that I set for the digital file. Now I have to call it. After putting the password, I can click on sign. Then it will prompt me to save the file. You can change the name or you can keep the existing one. It depends on what you want. Then you can click on save. Yeah, it will replace the file because I kept the name. I click on yes and wait a bit. Bump. Now we have the signature. We have the digital signature signed by me. You can see my names and the organization name and my position, my email, the exact date and time we signed the document. And you can see it is coming in the appearance. It is coming alongside with my electronic signature that I have scanned and imported as a graphic into my machine. It depends of what you want. You can even here print just your name, but here I have added even my electronic signature. Next time when you want to use the signature, you just have to click on place signature. You draw the area where you want to put it, and it will just prompt you to put the password. Then you can click on sign. You save your document. Then after saving, you have your signature there. Yeah, I think it has been very important for you, and you have followed what I have done. And thank you for watching, and see you next. And remember to subscribe on my channel. Thank you.